Only with this mixture, you can say goodbye to gray and restore your black hair. The exhaustion of melanin cells in the scalp is considered the main cause of severe hair. In fact, hair can appear when you are 25 years old, and this will make you look older than actually it is. Only to overcome severe hair, many people often apply the method of staining hair by mixing many chemicals. However, in addition to dry the hair, these chemicals can also cause a negative impact on your scalp and health. Glad news for those who watch this video is that we not need to dye to remove severe hair. You can get totally natural black hair at home with the simplest method we'll share in this video. This is a natural mixture that works very well to remove severe hair and prevent hair loss. We believe you can get natural silky black hair after a short time with this mixture. Ingredients: 8 garlic branches, 1 teaspoon olive oil, a half lemon. Procedure: First, let's puree garlic and then filter the water. Garlic is a natural ingredient with a high vitamin B12 content, a vitamin that stimulates the production of melanin and helps to prevent severe hair. In addition, garlic also contains many catalysts. This stimulates the conversion of severe hair into natural black hair and prevent hair loss effectively. Then, pour water into a small bowl and a tablespoon of olive oil. Finally, heat the juice of the half lemon and stir with a spoon until you get a suitable mixture. Olive oil contains such as essentials as saturated fat, vitamin E. Vitamin E adds vitamin B12 to have shortened hair, help prevent healthy hair and prevent premature aging. Especially when coconut oil is combined with lemon, will help maintain natural moisture and keep the scalp stable. How to use this mixture as follows. For the mixture onto the scalp and gray hair, then use the finger to gently sweep the scalp for 3 minutes. You should keep this mixture on the scalp for about 45 minutes and then clean the mixture with your conventional shampoo. In order to achieve the best effect on the treatment of severe hair, you need to use this method 2 times a week. After about a month, we thought you will get natural black hair. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question about this method, please leave our comments at the end of the video, and we will reply as soon as possible. I wish you had beautiful and healthy hair. Goodbye.